Guys, this is my first video. I know it's an off-camera win because I forgot my iPhone at home. My first lovebird I won. All I need now at the local Walmart, they have all of them. And in Pennsylvania, they have this one. That I didn't see that one, but they had it in there last week. This one, and this one, and they have extras of these ones. But tonight I only had 50 cents, but I got it for a quarter. So first lovebird. Sorry it was off camera, but first lovebird win and an off camera win.